blessings for coming out on this beautiful Saturday. I had some concerns because I didn't know if it was going to rain, but again, like Mother Sass always say, divine order for everything. I asked Sister Nazura earlier this week, I said, sis, I need good weather for your celebration of life. So we have beautiful weather today. So it's a little windy, but that's okay. I feel like the wind is a reflection of her spirit breezing through and being amongst us, because we all know that there's no such thing as death, really. It's just a transfer of energy. So she's no longer here physically, but her spirit will always remain with us. And so with that being said, we are going to begin our celebration of life for Sister Nazura. I'm going to ask Mother Sass to come at this time to lead us in our African libations. Everyone should have a program or a copy of the guide, but we are free-flowing with spirit. So Mother Sass, if you can come at this time, and what do you need me to do? You need something? Okay.
Greetings, family.
Greetings.
This is indeed a beautiful day, and this is a celebration of life. And when we say celebrate life, we say from life to everlasting life, or from life to life. We know this is a transition. I would like to say, before I offer libations, it has always been so wonderfully great to be in the presence of the Holy Royal family.
Yes.
And those that have journeyed with us. Ashe. And also very thankful for my sister Carmen Lindsay, keeping her divine appointment, as she always does, as she shares her gifts as well with our family. As we pour libations, we know that libations are really liquid prayer, and because we journeyed with our sister Nazura to Ghana, and we met her en route to the doors of no return into Cape Coast and Elmina, we opened a door by which we not only choose to honor our ancestors each and every day. We may do that silently. We may not offer liquid libations, as we will in this case. So I would like to ask us to stand, if we will. And I'm thankful for the drum, and we can invite that drum beat in.
Yes.
That drum beat is our heartbeat.
Yes.
That drum beat is our heartbeat. It's how we connect with our ancestors. So we offer these libations to bring in and honor our elders in our midst. Brother Ron, Brother Kwabena, we request permission to continue to speak, my brother. It's okay to continue to speak, yes, my brother?
Yes.
You are the elder in our midst. Yes, and thank you for that. And Carmen as well, and I as well. And as we go forth, we remember the reason that we're here. Yes. The light, our sister, the energy that never ends, yes, infinite, unbounded, invincible, immortal. That's energy. It can never go away. So we release that thought. And the freedom of spirit to be is what joins us together right here and right now. Ghana, Accra, Ghana, Atlanta, Georgia. Accra, Ghana, and Atlanta, Georgia.
Ashe.
Atlanta, Georgia, Accra, Ghana.
Ashe.
Ashe. Let our circle be unbroken. As I offer these libations, as we've done many times before, family, on all sacred soil, there's no end or beginning. We're one. Our sisters and brothers in the Caribbean, you're here with us right here, right now. Our brothers and sisters in Cape Coast and Elmina and all of Ghana, you're here with us right now. And we name our ancestors' names whose shoulders we have the privilege of standing upon. We name those historical ancestors, and we name those biological ancestors as our sister Nazura loved.
Yes.
And foot soldier, the
She
red,
did.
black, and the green. These
Yes.
are her colors.
Yes.
She wore them. Not just physically, she wore them in her heart and her
Yes.
soul. She lived in love for African people, and that will not stop. So let's name the name of those who inspire us and inspire you, our historical ancestors, like the Honorable Kwame Nkrumah.
Ashe.
Ashe, so it is. Or the Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey.
Ashe.
Ashe. Name some more names, family.
Malcolm X,
Malcolm X.
Ashe.
Ashe.
Elijah Muhammad,
Ashe. Dr.
Martin
Betty
King.
Shabazz. Ashe.
Ashe. Ella Baker.
Ashe. Queen Nzinga.
Ashe. Queen Tayi.
Ashe. Ashe. Yes, Dr. Asa Hilliard, Nana Bafo. Ashe.
Dr. Francis Crest Westling.
Ashe. Ashe.
Ashe.
Dr. Ben.
Dr. Ben.
Ashe.
Ashe.
Dr. John Henry Clark.
Ashe.
Dr. Amos Wilson.
Ashe. Mother Moore. Ashe. Let's name some of our personal ancestors. You know, our grandmamas and our granddaddies. Warren Thomas Smith. Ashe. Bessie Lee Smith. Ashe.
Sandra Bell,
Ashe. Uncle Billy.
Ashe.
Ashe.
my mother
Uncle
Ella
Ted.
Bell,
Ashe.
Ashe.
Willie James Pearson and Lonnie Bell Pearson.
Ashe. Those that we have not named, those that we would not know the names of, those that are too numerous to name, those that we won't ever know the names of who sacrificed, who brought us our liberation, the freedom of speech, the freedom to say, our sister warriors. Nazura, we honor you. Ashe.
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 Ashe. Oh.
Ashe.